Hi there, this is Christina. How are you? So you get a question, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es Ihnen? Oder wie geht's? So this is what we are going to analyze today, what we understand, what we answer, and which mistakes we have to avoid, because there are many there. So let's get started. Okay. So, wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es dir? We understand in English that it's how are you? So there are 6 image killing mistakes to avoid. So these mistakes will kill your image because there are many possibilities to answer it wrong. Okay. So English, how are you? I'm good. Formal and you, informal and you. These English words translated into German is wie bist du? So how are you? People used to translate wie bist du? I'm good. Ich bin gut. And you und sie. And you und du. So und sie formal und du informal. Okay. Let's analyze now here these 5 mistakes. What do they mean in German? So, wie bist du? Also Nummer 1, wie bist du means in German, what kind of person are you? Mistake number 2, ich bin gut. So if you answer, I am good, ich bin gut, means in German, I'm a good person or I'm a good one. Mistake number 3, und sie, formal, und sie, we say actually, and you, what kind of person are you, sir or Mrs.? What kind of person are you, und sie? Und du, what kind of person are you, in the informal way. So these mistakes occur because we translate from English into German. We use the English exact words translated into German. So in German, the grammar might be correct, but the meaning is completely different. Okay. So there are many people out there then who think, okay, I'm not going to ask, how are you? Wie bist du? Okay, because I've heard, wie geht es Ihnen? Okay, so then they say, wie geht sie? Because they hear wie geht, and then they assume that sie is the formal way to say you, and they say wie geht sie. But this means then in German or in English, yeah, how goes you, Mr. or Mrs.? Okay. Or they try then to fix it in the informal way. So, wie geht es du? This is of course a huge mistake too. And this means then in English or in German, how goes you? Okay. So let's take the next step to see how we can correct these mistakes. Okay. So point number 1 is that we have to change the way of thinking in English because you translate from English. Okay, so we fix it then we say to ourselves, we don't ask anymore, how are you? But we ask, how goes it to you? It's like how things are going to you. So when we say, wie geht es Ihnen? The translation into English is, how goes it to you? Don't worry, you won't forget your English. The point is to trick somehow the mindset in order to translate in a way that it makes sense in the German language, because you want to speak German, okay, correctly. So you say then, how goes it to you? And this exact translation is here, wie geht es dir? Hold on a second. How goes it to you? Wie geht es dir? So to you is dir, okay? Wie geht es dir? It goes good to me, thanks. Mir geht es gut, danke. So we start here with mir. To me, it goes good, okay? So, mir geht es gut, danke. Formal, and to you und Ihnen. Informal, and to you und dir. So, to you, formal means Ihnen. Ihnen means to you. And if you learn it now, it's from the beginning, from A0 actually, from starting from A0, from A1 till C2. It's the same grammar. So to you, formal means in German Ihnen. And to you, informal means to you, dir, to you, to you. I give it to you. Ich gebe es dir, dir. Wie geht es dir? How goes it to you, dir? Okay? So, again. Wie geht es dir? Mir geht es gut, danke. Mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut, danke. Und Ihnen und dir, so here now the meaning. Wie geht es dir? Correct. How are things going to you? Answer, mir geht es gut. Things are going good to me. Und Ihnen, and to you, und dir, and to you, gut, danke. So that's all for now. I hope it makes sense, and I hope it helps you to understand, and of course to learn German correctly. So bye for now, bye bye.